The 4 sets of large-size butterfly valves required for the high back pressure heating renovation condenser cylinder cutting project of the power plant developed and contracted by DBV Valve have successfully passed the bidirectional sealing performance inspection and acceptance with zero leakage. The butterfly valve is the largest 3-eccentric all-metal bidirectional sealed butterfly valve in the heating industry, and the smooth delivery and shipment of this batch of butterfly valves also shows the DBV Valve has the strength to develop and explore larger sizes in the field of butterfly valves for harsh working conditions.